Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to talk about this nice cream that I have here. So this is part of my daily routine. It is a Benzagel cream and it's a nice blemish cream. I like to put this on after I wash my face because it's a nice gel. It doesn't dry out my skin and it literally goes on so nice and easy. You don't need a lot of it. I love that it has no smell to it too. I do have sensitive skin, so it's something that's just fresh to put. Afterwards, you can put whatever kind of moisturizer that you normally use for your skin, and then you just have this really nice feeling. Your skin feels so soft, and I usually love to stick to my routine, so I love how small this container is. I can put this when I'm traveling. I can put this in my purse if I'm out of town. I really like the size. It's not too big and you have just a nice amount, and it actually lasts for a very long time, which is really good. But that's just my point of view.